Who's hungry? Fakeaway takeaway day today, guys. Something nice and simple. Not my recipe. It's one I got offline. I'll leave a link to it in the description. I can't remember the name of the place. It's got 5-star reviews. Quite a lot of 5-star reviews. It's supposed to be delicious. There's only 2 things I'm changing. Well, yeah, basically. Which is the marinade, because I'm going to be using this. Because I haven't had it yet. Chicken Tikka marinade. I'm going to... If you haven't seen me review them, I've reviewed them on an earlier video, like earlier last week, I think it was, or the weekend. So I'm going to use that instead of making my own, but link will be in the description. And also, I couldn't get, where is it called? Kashmiri chili. It says it's just optional for the colour. So I'm just going to use a bit of paprika, that's all. Change things as you mean, don't you? That's all you do, I suppose. I've even got my apron on because it will make a mess when I do a fakeaway takeaway. Get it all down my clothes. So let me show you what we're going to do. Okay, this is what I've got. There's all my seasonings. As I say, link will be in the description. Bit of butter as well, some garlic. I just got the squeezy garlic and the squeezy ginger. 1 large onion. I've got my chicken here. I've got diced chicken. I wanted chicken thighs. And they only had the boned ones up Aldi. So I just got some chicken breast, which is a shame. But that's all it is, really. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to marinate that first. So you haven't seen this one before, which I never showed you, did I don't think. There's all the ingredients. They're like £5, well, they cost me £5 each off Amazon. Mr. Marinade. There it is. They do a load of different ones. Well, so I've done a review on them and earlier on in the video. Anyway, let's get, and this is, I'm going to get some marinade in these first, and we're going to leave it. Get it open, let's have a look at this one. If I can open it, come on. And the one I've done before, the chicken garlic one, or was it chicken garlic? Garlic butter one was absolutely delicious. It really was. That's it there. Let's have a smell. Oh, potent. But when I've done the ones the other day, I could have done with a little bit more on there, so I'm going to put a bit on and I'm just going to mix it in, and I don't know if that's too much or not enough, but hey. I'm not putting anything else with it because it marinates itself and it is quite good. I'm going to leave that to marinate before we do anything else for as long as I can. So the one online, it's use buttermilk and that, don't you put it in a bag or whatever, put it in the fridge for as long as you can leave it. But I'm just going to leave that. I'll wrap it up and just leave it until I'm ready to cook. Okay, I've left that marinade for about half an hour. So let's have a look. There it is. I don't know if the camera picks up, but you can see it start marinating. Lovely. Right, let's get the pan hot. Okay, the pan is hot. Get a bit of oil in now. We'll get the oil heated up. Right, let's get the marinade chicken in then. Looks and smells delicious. Medium high heat. And you ain't got to cook it all the way through. You just got to obviously get it all seared and looking nice. I'll wash that up because then the chicken can go back in that then. Tell you what, it's been a couple of minutes and that marinade smells absolutely delicious. Just turn them over. And I have swapped my paprika for cayenne pepper. According to the website, you can use cayenne pepper. And it's called Calf Delights, I think it is. I'll leave a link anyway in the description. And turn all these over. Oh, that smells really nice. That smells really, really nice. Okay, I've had about 3 minutes each side. I'm going to get them out. No need to clean the pan. Don't forget your chicken won't be cooked yet, so don't get tasting it. It smells delicious. Absolutely does. I do like them seasonings. I've got that, get that another couple of seconds there. I've got that doner meat one to do yet, which I'm looking forward to. That's them. I'm going to wrap them up, just keep them warm. Bit of foil. Oops, sorry. Put it over there nice and loose. There we go. Now we've got 2 tablespoons of butter. That's about that much. We'll get that. Get your onions in. Couple of minutes, they're all translucent. I'm looking forward to this one. After that debacle yesterday with that pie, ruined our dinner, that did. Especially because it was the best bit. So you don't want to clean your pan because you want to get all that goodness off the bottom, don't you? It's all flavour, ain't it? Now I want 400 grams of this passata. This is a 500 grammer. About 100 gram left in there. I want my cayenne pepper, which I've swapped. My chilli. And my salt. I want to give that all a good mix. And then we want to simmer this down. Doesn't look like it's going to make much. We'll find out, won't we? Mind you, yeah, it'd be nice and thick, wouldn't it, I suppose? You want it thick. Says you can add water if you want to thin it. So now we want to simmer that down. I think it's at about 15 minutes, I think. And then, in the meantime, I'm going to get me water boiling for my rice. There you are. Because your rice can just sit there. I'm only doing jasmine rice. That's all I'm doing. Just follow your packet instructions. Okay, water's boiling for the rice. We're going to get that in. So just follow your packet instructions with your rice. I've sieved it all out, so give it a stir. And we'll let that do its thing. And in the meantime, let's have a look at this. It smells really nice. Oh yes. Stick it up. Stick it up well, that. Give it a stir. I might have to put a bit of water in there, you know, it's very thick. Well, I've got to put a bit of cream in it though. Now I'll put the cream in right at the end, but he wants me to put it in now for the last 10 minutes with the chicken. I don't know if it'll curdle. But well, I'm going to do what they say and we'll see. Cream, 1/4 of a cup, brown sugar, chicken, and put all that back in with them juices. Gonna mix it all together, and 8 to 10 minutes, oops, sorry, 8 to 10 minutes and it will be done. I must admit it smells really, really nice. I don't want to really add any more water to it in case it dilutes it, you know what I mean? It should be alright, I suppose. It's only got the chicken's got to cook through now, that's all. Right, I'll put the lid on, simmer for 8 to 10 minutes, and then we're done. Okay, let's have a look. I think it's done. The rice is done. There it is. It smells divine. Oh, divine, I ain't said that word for years. Oh, yes. But hey, it's all in the taste, ain't it? It's all in the taste. Let's turn that off. Right, let's dish up. Okay, then. There it is. Let's get some of this in here. looking nice. Could do with some more sauce though, that's the problem. Not a lot of sauce there. I could have, I should have put all of that tomato base in there. But it's got loads of chicken in it. There's that. I'll dish my rice up. Simple. That was so simple, that was. What it tastes like, I don't know. No, you're eating yours yet, Bab, no? Let me show you. You haven't ate it yet, no. Put that light down a bit so you can see. There we go. There it is, there's my rice. I don't have to show you my rice, done it loads of times. And that's that naan we like from Aldi, which is really nice. Really nice. And there it is. Mmm. Looks nice, doesn't it? It does look nice. It's all in the taste though. Go on, Bab, you're going to try a bit of your chicken.
In a minute.
Oh, all right.
A bit hot.
A bit hot.
A bit hot in a minute.
Okay. I don't know if I've made a chicken tikka masala on my channel. I can't remember if I have. I haven't. No. I might have ages and ages ago, but no. I don't think I've made one from scratch. Anyway, I'm going to get straight into the chicken and the sauce. Bring it down, you can see. I might have to get another camera to put on this table, might be better. So I can put, because I keep moving the camera, so I can put it down, like, so it's pointing down all the time.
Yeah.
Do you get me?
Sauce is nice.
Oh, is the sauce nice? Mmm. Mmm. Oh, that's about perfect. A nice little kick to that chicken as well. Oh, what do you think? Trying it. Oh, wow. It's got a bit of a kick, don't you see? Yeah. I'm not very well she's at her hands, haven't you, Bab?
Yeah.
It's got a kick.
Mm.
You'll probably feel the kick in a second.
I felt it earlier when I was dipping my naan.
Oh, yeah.
That's nice.
That's nice, isn't it? That is really nice. There's the kick. Oh, yeah, it's got a little bit of a kick. That is really nice, isn't it?
Nice, that is bad.
Yeah, well done. I think it's called Calf Delights.
Nice.
That sauce is lovely. And that chicken with that marinade is delicious. It has got a bit of a kick though. Let me try that sauce on its own with the naan. Mmm. You need to try that. It's so simple and delicious. It wouldn't make 5. I've done 3. Nat and me and the lad. And there's a bit of sauce left. But it wouldn't make 5. I think he said it makes 5. It wouldn't make 5 unless you have some really small portions. But if you have something like this, this size, then you want big portions, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you do for 4 or 5, just add a bit more ingredients or a bit more. It's the sauce. There's loads of chicken there. I've just pulled the chicken in. It's just the sauce, isn't it? You need a bit more sauce.
That's lovely.
That's really nice.
Very nice.
I'm giving that a 10. That or the pie from yesterday.
That pie was disgusting.
It went straight in the bin, didn't it?
It was
vile, weren't it?
Oh,
it was vile.
It didn't have no taste.
No, it was vile. It wasn't just the taste, it was just horrible, wasn't it? It was horrible. It was just horrible.
Disgusting. It was. I've never tasted a pie like that.
Yeah, it must get a cheap couple of quid pie, mightn't you?
I'd have preferred it.
Might not be as good as ingredients, but you'd taste a lot better, wouldn't it? And that's what I say sometimes, you know. But this stuff, anyway, don't forget that. This is absolutely delicious. Pick it up and show you. So we can get a thumbnail off it like that. I don't know if I can. That's why I need another camera so I can stick up.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
I know what you're saying, but...
Yeah, so I can't unless I hold it. Like that. Right, can't get me head in.
I'll have to do it. I can't see properly though.
Yeah, just hold it there so I can get a thumb. That'll do.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll have to get another camera, won't I?
Yeah, you will.
Well, I've got a camera over there, another phone. I'll have to get another holder.
Yeah, I'll hold it.
Yeah. Anyway, that's a 10 out of 10 for me. What are you marking that, sweetheart? Oh, you're a bit close.
I was there. Oh God.
It's got a kick in it.
No, try to swallow my rice. 10.
Oh, yeah, 10. 100% 10. Yeah, well done, Calf Delights or whatever it's called. The link will be in the description. Follow their recipe, even if you haven't got that marinade. It's got the marinade, how you marinate it in there with your buttermilk and that. But all in all, I'm going to go and eat it before it gets cold. Thanks for watching. Fakeaway, takeaway. Superb one, thank God. Because we never had a... What was the last one we had before? I can't remember what it was.
I can't remember.
But it wasn't very nice. I remember you saying, can you please make your own next time, didn't you? I can't remember what it was. Or was that a couple of times ago? I can't remember. Anyway, try that. It's delicious. And them naans from Aldi. See you later. Bye-bye. I'm still eating it. This is absolutely delicious. I've had to come back on. It's absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? It's unbelievable. I think that's better than an Indian, Bab. Do you?
I don't know, because I like chicken.
Well, you do, yeah.
I absolutely love the stuff, so...
I don't know, I think this is really good. Really good. Oh, it's delicious, honestly. You need to try it. See you later.